If you've ever been disrespected by a woman you cared about, ignored, taken for granted, talked down to, or treated like an option instead of a priority, this video is for you. Because the truth is, most men don't lose women because they're not attractive. They lose respect because they react emotionally when they're disrespected. They argue, they explain, they chase, they try to fix things, and every one of those reactions quietly destroys their value. Today, I'm going to show you 5 silent moves that flip the dynamic completely. Moves that don't require confrontation, don't involve begging, and don't make you cold or bitter. These are the moves high-value men use naturally, and when done correctly, they create one powerful result. Women don't just lose access to you, they regret how they treated you. Not because you tried to punish them, but because you stopped abandoning yourself. If you're ready to regain self-respect and emotional control, let's begin. Move number 1. You stop explaining yourself. Disrespect survives on one thing: your need to be understood. The moment a man feels disrespected, most of them rush to explain. Why are you acting like this? I didn't mean it that way. Can we talk about what happened? You're misunderstanding me. And here's the hard truth. The more you explain, the less you're respected. High-value men understand something weak men don't. Respect is not negotiated, it's observed. When a woman disrespects you, whether through sarcasm, inconsistency, dismissiveness, or crossing boundaries, and you rush to explain yourself, you send an unconscious message: I need your approval to feel stable. And once that message is sent, the dynamic is already lost. Instead, the silent move is this: you pause, you withdraw explanation, you stop justifying your emotions, not in anger, not in drama, but in calm indifference. You don't chase clarity, you don't demand validation, you let silence do the talking. Because silence communicates something powerful: I don't need to convince you of my worth. And here's what happens psychologically. Disrespect thrives when it's rewarded with attention. When you remove emotional engagement, the behavior loses oxygen. Suddenly, she starts replaying the interaction in her mind. Why didn't he react? Why didn't he argue? Did I cross a line? And that's when regret begins. Not because you attacked her, but because you didn't chase her understanding. Move number 2. You match energy, not words. One of the most common ways men get disrespected is by believing words over behavior. She says she cares, but disappears. She says she's busy, but always has time for others. She says she likes you, but treats you like an option. And most men respond by doubling their effort. More texts, more reassurance, more emotional investment. That's backwards. High-value men operate by one rule: energy over promises. When effort drops, they don't argue, they don't complain, they adjust access. If she pulls back emotionally, you pull back proportionally. If communication becomes inconsistent, you become less available. If respect declines, you reduce intimacy, not to punish her, but to restore alignment. This is important. You're not trying to control her behavior, you're controlling your availability, and this creates a powerful psychological effect. People only realize the value of access when it's no longer guaranteed. When you stop overgiving, she feels the shift. The emotional safety she took for granted disappears. The attention she assumed would always be there isn't, and now she's left with a question: why does this feel different? That question is the beginning of regret. If you're learning how to maintain self-respect, emotional strength, and masculine clarity in modern dating, subscribe to Silent Tribe. This channel is built for men who refuse to lose themselves chasing validation. Now let's continue. Move number 3. You remove emotional convenience. This move is uncomfortable, but it's where most men fail. Many women don't disrespect men intentionally. They do it unconsciously. When a man becomes emotionally convenient, you're always available, always listening, always supporting, always understanding. But without commitment, without reciprocity, without respect, you become emotional infrastructure, not a man she values. High-value men don't offer relationship-level benefits without relationship-level behavior. So the silent move is simple. You stop over-providing emotionally. You're still polite, still calm, still grounded, but you no longer act as a therapist, offer unlimited reassurance, absorb emotional chaos, make yourself endlessly accessible. And here's the key: you don't announce this change. No speeches, no ultimatums, no emotional breakdowns. You just shift your behavior. And when emotional convenience disappears, reality hits. She feels the absence. Move number 4. You set boundaries without words. Weak men talk about boundaries. Strong men live them. Most men destroy their own boundaries by over-explaining them. I don't like when you do that. Please don't talk to me that way. I deserve better. Those words sound strong, but without action, they mean nothing. High-value men do this instead. If disrespect happens, they disengage. If sarcasm continues, they reduce interaction. If inconsistency repeats, they emotionally step back. No drama, no anger, no emotional speeches, just consequences. And here's the truth women rarely admit: behavioral boundaries are far more attractive than verbal ones, because they communicate self-respect without aggression. Silence combined with consistency is intimidating, in a good way. It forces self-reflection, and when she realizes, he didn't fight me, he didn't beg, he didn't tolerate it, that's when regret deepens. She feels the emotional distance. She realizes something changed. That's when regret forms, because people don't miss what they had until it stops being available. Move number 5. You become willing to walk away. This is the ultimate silent move, and it's the one that changes everything. The strongest position in any relationship is non-attachment. When a woman senses you're afraid to lose her, she relaxes and respect declines. When she senses you're willing to walk away, attention returns, not because you're manipulative, but because you're grounded. Walking away doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care about yourself more. And here's the truth most men avoid: if someone only values you when you're chasing, they never truly valued you. Walking away doesn't lose the right woman, it reveals the wrong one. And when you walk away with dignity, no insults, no bitterness, that's when regret becomes unavoidable, because now she's left with the absence of your presence, the memory of your calm, and the realization that you didn't need her to be whole. Let me make this clear. This isn't about winning against women. This isn't about revenge. This is about winning against emotional chaos. Disrespect dies in the presence of self-respect. Games collapse when you stop reacting, and regret forms when access is removed. Calmly. If a woman truly values you, boundaries won't scare her away. They'll make her respect you more. And if she doesn't, losing her is not a loss. If this video helped you think more clearly, subscribe to Silent Tribe. This channel is for men who choose strength over chasing, clarity over confusion, and self-respect over emotional dependency. Because the goal isn't to make someone regret losing you. The goal is to never abandon yourself again.